grocery shopping to do and some Christmas shopping to do. So that's my task for the day. It will probably be an all-day trip. So yeah, we'll see what we can get up to today. All right, first stop is Giant Tiger.
20 minutes later.
Well, that drive was absolutely horrendous and forgot to take my bags into Giant Tiger. So, I gotta do it now. That's my return I gotta do at Walmart. So I got some baby carrots, lettuce, some green onion. That's the stuff I normally get there. And then also I normally get green pepper. I didn't see any today though. And I got a few things for the kids for Christmas. So let's go to our next stop. Actually, I have to go to the dollar store right here. Okay, on to Dollar Tree. All right, I'm done at Dollar Tree and they didn't have everything I need, so I have to go to a different dollar store, Dollarama, and I head over to Walmart. So I guess my next stop should technically be Home Depot, but I have to head that way at the end. So I think I'm gonna go to Walmart first and then head over to Home Depot. So we'll go there now. Now that's a snowbank. Welcome to Canada. Okay, I'm gonna run into Dollarama and then I'll run into Winners as well. Okay, I think we're done here. Let's check out.
1 hour later.
Finally done Walmart. That took a little bit longer than expected. Oh, don't break, don't break, don't break, don't break. Those are my those are my grocery bags. That is already filled. Okay. Myself a nice tea. Okay, there we go. Okay, before the next two stops, I'm gonna have a quick lunch break instead of eating like fast food. I know this is not much better, but Walmart had some chicken wings marked down, so I mean, it's not great, but could be McDonald's. Hope the roads aren't too horrible when I go home. Hate that road. They're always crappy. Well, actually, on this side, they're not that crappy. But for some reason, today they were. So, I don't know. Oh, I don't have 2 stops. I have 3 stops. Oh boy. Forgot propane salamander, or propane tanks for the salamander. Okay, last one. Okay, let's head to Home Depot.
1 hour later.
All right, Home Depot is done. That took a little bit longer than expected as well, of course. And now I have grocery shopping to do, which who knows where I'm supposed to put it all, but okay. Let's go grocery shopping. So at Home Depot, I got some strapping and epoxy because Mom and Dad got a granite countertop that they have to put together. And then I got like an extra box that you saw we needed for the outside septic pump. And then what else did I get? I got compound because we are out of compound, so I got 3 more of those. And just some few other things that I had to get. Can't remember, but so yeah, now I gotta do some grocery shopping. Glad I did some of it at Walmart, so it shouldn't take me as long here, but oh my gosh, the snow is just so brutal here. Okay, and then hopefully we can get out of here before dark, but by the looks of it, we're not going to. So we'll be driving home in the dark and on crappy roads. But where to go, where to go, where to go? Where's this guy going? Snowbank. Oh man. Okay. I guess we're going around. Look at these snowbanks. It's insane. They're like twice the height of my truck.
1 eternity later.
Okay, grocery shopping is done. I'm gonna put some stuff in the back because I don't mind if it stays cold. As you can tell, it's getting dark. And I still have Costco. Oh shoot, ice cream. Okay. And see if I can put these, they're so thin. But, oh yeah. Okay, let's go to Costco.
Later that same evening.
Okay, Costco is done and my hips are killing me. It is now pitch black and I still have an hour drive home. Oh, I've done, let me see how many steps I've done today. Well, not that many. I guess the driving helps, but 6,000 steps. Probably doesn't even calculate all of them, but. Okay, where do I put all this stuff? Guess I gotta go to the other side. I don't feel like putting it up in the back of the truck, so here it is. Okay, so I actually bought a new coat. I have one of these puffer jackets, but it was a men's and it's huge on me now. And these are only 20 bucks at Costco. So I bought a new one. It's like this plum purple color, which I've been really into lately. So, and I really could have used it today because my winter coat, the zipper is gone on it and I have to get a new zipper and replace it. And it's a huge ordeal to replace a zipper on like a snowboarding jacket. I know because I've done it before on Kyle's in the past, so probably won't be until the new house that I get to fix it. So I bought that, and for 20 bucks you can't go wrong. It's to like 32 or something, or 0, so it's to 0 degrees. Oh, freezing, literally. So okay, I guess that is gonna be it for shopping tonight. I can't even imagine how much money I've spent. I spent $110 on gas alone. So Kyle is at home. I have a package at the post office. So I asked him to run there for me because I won't get there in time before they close. And that means I have to wait till tomorrow morning. I kind of want it tonight, so I have a bunch of stuff I'm going to show you guys in an upcoming video, hopefully for Vlogmas. So anyways, I'm going to end this vlog here. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for running around with me. Gave me someone to talk to, and yeah, Merry Christmas, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!